The girlies were lying here on YouTube. Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a quick little review of Tinashe Hair. I've been having this hair from June before my birthday, and I installed it for my birthday, and now it's September, so I feel like now is a good time to give my review of this hair. So I ordered a body wave lace closure 6x6 pre-plucked, and the density is supposed to be 200% density in 18 inches. Everything came to $203.90, and I got a 30% discount, and it ended up being $173.90. So that's the specs. Is that their shipping was super great. I ordered my wig came in 3 to 5 business days, so kudos to them for that. And also I ordered a 6x6 lace, but it was regular lace. I actually contacted them on WhatsApp and told them I wanted a transparent lace and I will pay the difference, and they said okay. Don't know if it's real transparent lace or not, because the lace kind of look like a light brown lace, but that's neither here nor there. They tried to help me, so their customer service is on point. I have no problems with that, no qualms with that. Their site is also easy to navigate. Yeah, it's a 6x6 transparent lace closure wig, which is what I wanted. I wanted something that I could just throw on and go, and I didn't have to think about it too much. I'm not a frontal girly, love frontals, but for me personally, I love a good 6x6, or I like to cut frontals into like 7x7s or even 8x8s and go on with my day, spray a little bit of Got2b glue or ebon and carry on with my day. So I'm definitely a closure girl. So when the wig came, it came good, the lace was good, and then I bleached the knots. After I bleached the knots, it got to like a orangey color, and I'll insert clips because I actually video me bleaching the knot. It turned into like this orangey color that I did not like, so I definitely should have kept the transparent lace and just added some foundation to make it blend into my skin tone. But if you are darker skin tone and you get the transparent lace and you actually bleach the knots will probably match you perfectly. But for me, they're a little bit too brassy, orangey, so fair warning with that. The length is definitely 18 inches. I actually cut this wig up a bit just to give it a little bit of layers and stuff, and this wig is not styled at all. I literally just took it up out my wig stash and plop it on my head because I needed to do a review. When it's styled, it looks amazing. I will say it do not keep a curl at all. I've used Got2b spray, hairspray, all of that. It do not keep a curl. So if you're looking for body wave hair that actually keeps a curl, this is not it. And this is one of the very reason why I love body wave hair, because it always keeps a nice curl and I don't have to worry about flat ironing it or curling it all the time. But with this hair, it might as well I keep it straight, because the curls never last at all, and when they fall, they don't fall nicely. So if you want this hair, just know you're just gonna have to keep it straight. It won't hold a curl for nothing. And another thing is this hair sheds a lot, so I will comb through it a little bit and show you guys. And this hair is shedding from the, you know how sometimes hair shed and break off because the hair is dry and you need to deep condition it or something, but this hair is actually shedding from the root, like lengths of hair. I don't know if so. This hair sheds a lot. I guess you get what you pay for, because I didn't pay a lot for this. and I'm surprised that it held up this long. To be quite honest, it held up a very nice time, a nice while. And I will say you're going to need some serums to actually smooth out this hair because it can get a bit frizzy. I don't know if it's because I'm in a more humid climate, but you're gonna need some serums to actually smooth this hair out, especially if you're gonna wear it straight. And then this is supposed to be a 200 density. This was my biggest issue, and which was one of the reasons why I did not like this wig. This is supposed to be 200% density. This is definitely not 200% density. I've been wearing wigs all my life. My mom is a cosmetologist. This is not 200% density. This is 150, and I'm pushing it, maybe saying 180. This is not 200% density at all. So if you're looking for full hair, this is as much hair as you will get for 200% density. So it sheds a lot. The density is not correct because I actually weighed this hair. It's not correct. And then when you bleach the knots turn like a brassy orangey color. 3 strikes, you're out for me. But I will say the hair held up okay, held up all right. If you're just in the business of getting something cheap and affordable, and this is not a wig that you're going to be wearing constantly, consistently for weeks at a time, I feel like it can survive. If this is going to be like just your special occasion wig and you wear it like once a week or twice a week, then you should be okay for about a month or 2. But if this is something that you're planning to wear like every single day, back to back to back, this is not it. It's too thin, it sheds a lot, and it don't hold a curl, so you're gonna constantly be flat ironing this hair. So with all that said, those are my pros, those are my cons. The girlies were lying here on YouTube, but that's neither here nor there. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.